birthday. Should we open it? Let's see. Sit in my lap. Here you go. Here you go. You can hold on to that if you'd like. A little bracelet. I don't know if your hand will fit in that. Put it on your toe. Want to open? Size 11. Size 11. They don't seem like size 11. They're smaller than size 11. They are, because they're not size 11s. New glasses. Pretty. Let go, let go, let go. Here, you take the case. Look. You take the case. What's inside? Thank you. Very nice. Thank you. You want to try it on for the camera? Look at the camera.
Look at that little smile.
Papa got nice new glasses, yes.
Michael Jackson glasses.
You look good. You look like a fashionista.
Can you wave?
Wave to the camera. Wave to Daddy. Come on, wave to Daddy.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Wow. Good job. Thanks for helping me.